Hi everyone! Tonight we will do a little flowers on our ADDI Express Professional. First we will cast some crochet on our machine, one in the front, one in the back. Don't check the counter because it doesn't work. So you do that for the first row. Open your yarn feeder, put one down and second one on top because I have two strings of yarn because that's the only one I have left. So you put both each side so it will crank easily. If you don't, it's gonna get stuck and you're gonna get frustrated with that. So you keep cranking after your first row till you get to your 20 rows. When you will get to your 20 rows, we will cast off by cutting the yarn and get stitch each with the two string. Each one you have to crank the machine that pass through the yarn feeder to get the chance to your project to be released from the machine. When you've done that, you could go next to your tail and grab your first stitches. If you start grabbing the first one on the tail, it's gonna give you a big hole in your project. You don't want that. So we'll crank to remove everything. So these little flowers could be very cute to embellish your hat, your slippers, your mitten, your scarf, name it. I'm sure you will find a place for a good use. So I will close the tube each side like this. Do a double knot, and that's it. I will do the same thing to the other side. Be careful not to get everything stuck in one side. There, and you close it. When it's tight and secure, you do a double knot to close it. There. Now it's time to create the circle. So you take the middle of it with your needle and you go the other side. Join the two yarn and do a double knot to keep it secure. Stretch. Now we'll cut one side like this. Hide it in the circle. If you're looking for my needle, check on Walmart online or Amazon. It's called a wool needle pack of 3. It's less than $7. I love them. Maybe you'd like to try. I don't know. I don't get paid for that. Just share it because I like it. So I will start making my flowers now. To do that, you have to go one in the middle, one side, and you get the other one like this. Try to separate it in 5 pieces, because if you do 4, it will look like a leprechaun thing. Don't look like a nice flowers. So I keep going like this. I do twice each side. So I got 2 done. I'm gonna do the third one. There. Fix it. And 4 and 5 is here. Down. Tight. Play with it a little bit. Make sure everything is the same same size. Attach it in the back, and voila, your flowers is done. Secure it in the back, and you're ready to use it. There. I did a double knot. Not long enough. So I will share it with you on a hat. My little one was not sure if she want a little bunny or if she want a little flowers. So I put it on the hat. I made 4 others, so I will put 5 little flowers on this hat. I will just attach it like just to show you how, but fix it more secure than that. I just did a little bow because my little one was not sure, and then she said, I want flowers, I like it. So I will attach it more secure for sure, and it will be 5 little flowers around the hat. So thank you so much to watching my video with me, and hope you already subscribed to my channel. If you're not, could be a good idea to do it, so that way we could see if you like the next video I will make. So I wish you a good night, and ciao ciao, and thank you so much for your support to my channel. Bye bye.